Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeder, and you guys are tuned into the best finance channel on YouTube. Now, today we're going to talk to you guys about something that you may not know about, and this is yet again another business trade line. I think that you guys need to know all these business trade lines that are hitting right now. Any of the ones that you can get, you need to get, and any of these trade lines that are available to you in your business, they fit your industry, or they're going to allow you to get products or items that are going to build up your portfolio. Please, I repeat, please go and get these cards. Make it happen, make it work for you. Now, what am I talking about today? Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Dell credit account. Okay. So, once again, my name is Nigel Schroeder. And before we get in this video, I want to make sure that you know you're tuned into the best finance channel on YouTube where we bring you content daily. Now, today we're going to be talking about the Dell commercial account or the Dell business account. So we just applied for this account. We applied for it with a brand spanking new LLC. Nothing on it. No trade lines. No nothing is reporting to this LLC. Brand new. Nothing. You go to NAV. There is nothing. It says you need more data. There's nothing there. So we applied for it. We applied for a bunch of other trade lines for the business also, but we're waiting for them to report. It hasn't even been 30 days, and we've been getting them left and right. Now, with Dell, we applied for it. So we applied for it. We applied for it as a no PG. Go figure, the application was denied. Now, obviously, like I said, this particular business has no trade lines reporting to it. So basically we shot our shot. We were like, let's see what's gonna happen. Applied for it, and we applied for this particular trade line, no PG. They denied the application. So we said, okay, well, then it came down to PGing the application, and it was like, I really did want the item that I was looking at purchasing from Dell, and I was like, if we do PG it, we will be able to get it more than likely. However, that could burn a hard inquiry. Should we PG it or should we not? So I'm like, you know what? Why not? Why not? Or not? Just shoot the shot. It's one hard inquiry. It'll be a couple points. Somewhere between 2 and 10. It's not gonna hurt anybody. It just pushed back the time for applying for other cards. So I said, okay, we're gonna go ahead and PG it. So we PG this account, and the next thing you know, boom, next screen. You look up on the next screen, and what do we see? We see an approval, but not just any approval. We see an approval for $5,000. Now, I want you guys to understand this. It says $5,000, and then it says the AP on the card is 27.49 on this business account. Now, a lot of you are going to say that is horrible. That is a horrible interest rate. That's bad. That's going all the way back to the secured card days. That's beyond, horrible for interest rate, right? But here is the catch with this Dell Finance account. So, for one, this is a business account. So, for opportunity costs, sometimes you have to pay a little bit more so that things don't report to your personal credit, and things of that nature, and you can actually, have that stuff that you need without tearing up your personal credit. So that was one of the things there, right? But then here's the even better thing. I can tell you how to turn that 27% interest rate into a zero. Dell's finance program states that if you buy certain items, there's a list that it will give you that they choose. They're typically higher priced items. But if instead of putting them on a payment plan, you pay them off within 3 months. So you buy this item and you pay it off in 3 payments. If you pay it off in 3 payments or less, there's 0% interest charge. So what does that mean? That means that I can go right now to Dell. I can buy a a $2,000 touchscreen monitor, 55 inches, big as a TV, right? They're about $2,000. And I can send Dell right around $670 a month, somewhere right in there, for 3 months, and pay no interest on my purchase. So now I can take that other $1,400 the first month that I'm not spending on this monitor, and I can invest it, flip it, make more money off of it, and then out of my profits I can take 670 and pay my next payment, and then hopefully I'm not hustling backwards and I made more than 670, and I can take that $1,400 again and invest it and make my 600 back. And then once I do that over the course of 3 months, that laptop is, or that monitor is paid off. So now I have a paid off monitor. I paid 0% interest, and I made money off of my other money while I was paying that off, instead of having to, worry about paying it all off at one time. And then worst comes to worst, if you do end up having to pay interest, you can spread it out over an even longer period of time. And instead of putting up, that $2,000 up front, you can put up $60, $70, take that other money and invest it in something else. And if that thing is going to make you more than that 27% in interest, now granted, 27% in interest is a horrible interest rate, but again, it's all about your opportunity cost. And if that's going to make you more money, then go where the money is. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for, commenting, subscribing, sharing these videos out, and being a part of the family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.